Hamptons Limited's area of activity is the production of hydraulic assemblies and pump parts in medium and small quantities and in different sizes. Our materials, among others, are steel, aluminium, copper, stainless steel and alloys. Hamptons Limited is located in Budapest. We are proud that we serve our clients with special attention and proficiency. We manufacture our products with CNC machines for our foreign partners. These products require high tolerances and are supervised by 3D coordinating measuring devices. In 2014, Hamptons Limited obtained the Environmental Management System and the Occupational Health and Safety Management System quality certificates. We handle our orders from material purchasing until delivery with the proper quality assurance and documentation. We work only with our reliable partners on our suppliers list. These companies have been certified by our standards. We supervise the quality of our parts throughout the complete process of CNC machining, check it multiple times and document the results in reports. We conduct our business according to the ISO 9001 system effectively so that our company can stay competitive and our products can live up to the most sophisticated markets and customer expectations. We constantly educate our employees, thus their knowledge can be up to date. In our work, we employ professionally qualified and educated technicians. In order to ensure the high quality of our products, we use 3D measuring devices. We believe that continuous investments in both human and physical capital are the essence of our success. And these are not only aimed at the technical skills, but also at the commitments and sense of responsibility. We are helped in our efforts by a clear vision of the company's future.